arm go?
Take off. Wait, no. I gotta keep him. Trying hard. You know?
And then it'd be funny to just lay him on there and then put it right up to 10 and then fly out.
Do it, do it.
Well, someone land it and then we turn it on so like just go.
You do it.
Don't turn on that fast if no one's on it.
Chill out. Yeah, chill out.
Can you do something?
Who?
You.
What?
Do something.
No. Like what?
Funny.
On the tripod?
Yeah.
Like what?
I don't know, something. Go.
Let's try.
Lay on it and then we'll turn it on.
No.
Please.
I'll do the baby crawl. He's gonna get his pants sucked up in this thing.
Ow.
Josh, what do you do?
Oh my god, he's gonna...
He's gonna. I'm serious. His
Roll your pants up.
Dude. Dude. He does not know anything.
Slow it down when we get loud.
I know.
That was fun.
You like yanked him off the chair. And he was gonna go off
Look at
anyway.
your pants sucked into it.
Take it. No, don't take your pants off. Is that your weenie?
No.
I have a cramp.
You only did one lap.